Bananas are everywhere. We eat more than 100 billion of them every year. They are cheap, sweet, convenient, and for billions of people. They are part of daily life, but right now, the world's most popular fruit is facing a silent extinction. A deadly fungus is spreading across the planet, destroying banana farms one by one. And scientists fear the banana we know today may disappear forever. The threat is called tropical race 4, or simply DR4. It's a soil fungus that attacks banana roots. Once infected, the plant slowly loses its ability to transport water. The leaves turn yellow. The fruit stops growing, and eventually, the entire plant collapses. But the scariest part, TR4 can survive in soil for decades. Even after the farm is abandoned, there is no chemical spray that can truly kill it. No easy cure, and once the fungus enters a plantation, it spreads silently underground. So why are bananas so vulnerable? Because almost every banana sold in supermarkets today is genetically identical. They all belong to a single variety, the Cavendish banana. Unlike wild bananas, commercial bananas don't produce seeds. Farmers clone them instead. That means every Cavendish banana on Earth is basically a genetic copy. A clone, and clones share the same weakness. If one banana can get infected, all of them can. It's the agricultural equivalent of having billions of computers running the exact same password. One successful attack, and the whole system collapses. So how do we stop extinction? The answer may come from biotechnology. Scientists are now using CRISPR gene editing to redesign bananas at the DNA level. Instead of waiting decades for traditional breeding, researchers can directly edit specific genes. Some genes make bananas vulnerable to DR4. Scientists can switch those genes off. Others are adding resistance genes from wild banana species that naturally survive fungal attacks. The goal is revolutionary: create a banana that is resistant to disease, but still tastes exactly like the Cavendish people love. A banana engineered for survival. But protecting bananas isn't only about genetics. Modern farms are becoming high-tech battlefields. Today, some plantations use AI-powered drones. These drones fly autonomously over huge fields. But they aren't just taking normal pictures. They use multispectral cameras that detect invisible changes in plants. Tiny temperature shifts, small color variations, stress patterns humans cannot see. AI systems analyze this data instantly. They can identify a fungal infection weeks before visible symptoms appear. That means farmers can isolate a single infected plant before the outbreak spreads across the farm. In the future, banana farms may look more like tech laboratories than traditional agriculture. Technology keeps controlling their journey. Bananas are picked while still green, otherwise they would rot before reaching stores. To solve this, the industry uses smart ripening rooms. These rooms carefully release ethylene gas and natural plant hormone. Precise sensors control the exact timing, temperature, and humidity. The result: perfect yellow bananas arriving on shelves at exactly the right moment. Scientists are also trying to make bananas last longer. Some companies are developing invisible edible coatings made from plant extracts. These ultra-thin layers slow oxygen exposure and moisture loss, which means bananas stay fresh much longer. Some coatings can nearly double shelf life, and with blockchain tracking, consumers can now scan QR codes to see where their bananas came from, how they were grown, and even their carbon footprint. The humble banana has become part of a global technological network. The banana is no longer just a fruit. It has become a symbol of the future of agriculture. Gene editing, artificial intelligence, smart logistics, food engineering, all working together to protect one simple food we often take for granted. Because without innovation, the Cavendish banana may eventually disappear. And what replaces it could completely change the way the world eats. So the next time you grab a banana, remember this: You're not just holding a snack. You're holding one of the most advanced products of modern science, a fruit protected by genetics, AI, and global technology. And a glimpse into the future of food itself. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and explore more hidden science behind everyday life.